So let us start. We were discussing about the ellipse. So ellipse we will finish and then actually we will continue to the hyperbola. In the case of ellipse, actually we have done the derivation for the ellipse equation. That is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse. Now here actually we will try to draw the derive the equations for the tangent. See, tangent to the ellipse. Now for this actually the standard procedure whatever we have done in the case of the ellipse or in the case of parabola, so same thing actually we will be using even here also. Suppose actually we have this is the ellipse and this ellipse actually is having its major axis like this and its minor axis like this, and then if at all a straight line, let us say if there is a straight line like this and this straight line actually if it is a tangent to this parabola at this particular point, this is what is the tangent. So this is the tangent to the parabola, and this tangent actually if it has to be there, then actually the condition we need to put it. So that is the condition we have to derive, condition for the straight line to be a tangent. We need to derive that condition. So the equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and then let y is equal to mx plus c is a straight line. So this is a straight line, and x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is the ellipse equation. And then if you substitute this value in this, so this is going to be x square by a square plus mx plus c by b square is equal to 1. Now if you simplify this, this is b square x square plus a square into, or this actually you can put this as m ax plus ca. So this is whole square. So divided by a square b square is equal to 1. So just actually I have done the LCM of it. So here it is b square and here it is a square. I am taking into the inside. So max plus ca whole square. So this is going to be b square x square plus max plus ca whole square is equal to a square b square. Now this actually we can expand it. B square x square plus max plus ca whole square is equal to a square b square, and this value b square x square plus m square a square x square plus a square c square plus 2 times of m a square cx is equal to a square b square. Now this actually b square plus m square a square x square plus, and then actually 2mc a square x plus a square into c square minus b square. Now this is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So this quadratic equation will definitely have 2 different solutions. So after solving this quadratic equation, the roots can be of real and equal, real and unequal, and the complex conjugates. So there are 3 different cases actually that we can think of, and the tangent condition is when the roots are real and equal. So roots are real and equal. So in such case actually this y is equal to mx plus c will be the tangent to the parabola. So if the roots has to be real and equal, then obviously b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0, where this is b square. So this is 2mc a square whole square minus 4 times of b square plus m square a square into a square into c square minus b square. So this is equal to 0. So this is the condition. Now this actually, here you can take out this a square and this a square, so out. So this is 4 times of m square c square a power 4 minus, so here actually 4 times of a square into b square plus m square a square c square minus b square, and this is equal to 0. So this is 4 a square will cancel out. So mca whole square minus b square plus m square a square into c square minus b square, and this is equal to 0. So this value actually we can simplify it further. So this is going to be, okay, so mca whole square minus, so this if you multiply it, so multiply with c square b square plus m square a square c square minus b power 4 minus b square m square a square is equal to 0. Now this is mca whole square, so this is also mca whole square. So these two will cancel out, and we left with even b square also you can take out from here, and you can take out from here, and you can take out from here. So this is going to be b square, then c square minus b square minus m square a square equal to 0. From this actually we can conclude that c square is equal to b square plus m square a square. So this is the value of c square, or this is the condition for the straight line y is equal to mx plus c to be the tangent to the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So for this ellipse, if this has to be the tangent, this is the condition. C value has to be b square plus m square a square should be equal to c square, and this is the condition.